Hey up, welcome back. Today in this one, got another project car. Yeah, let's jump in and show you. Yeah, it's a toy. This is going to be a winter project because, let's face it, it's crap being outside on your drive working on a real car when it's pissing it down, windy, cold. Just don't want to be doing it. So my plan was, I found out a load of old RC cars what I got, which, well, when I say cars, I mean there's a helicopter, big rock crawler thingy, and another helicopter, and then there's this thing over here which I'm currently making a video on. I'm just waiting on some parts for that. Another one down there. I kind of forgot that I got all this lot. So I found it all out. I thought I'll fix it all up. My plan was fix it all, get it all working again, and just flog it. So, you know, stick it on eBay or something like that. So when I was looking for parts, I ended up buying that instead. Yeah, I was going to get rid of them. I ended up buying another one. What I'll do is I'll put a link to my Amazon affiliate where you can get like alt specs and everything from this. It's a 1/12 scale, only a cheap thing, but it's a Chinese model. It is all four-wheel drive, all locked diffs, but the reason I opted for this is, one, it's really cheap, and two, you can actually buy a lot of upgrades for it. So that's my plan. I'm going to show you it working now. It's got a full battery in it. Your battery, if I can, yeah, there we go, that's where your battery goes. So I'm going to show you, set up a little obstacle course. Let's see how it performs. It's slightly better than toy grade at the minute, but it is airing on hobby grade RC. That's why you can buy all upgrades and everything from it. So yeah, we'll set up a little course, we'll see how it performs. Right, here's the course. So start off down here, go up the knackered radiator, over the knackered RC cars, up the piece of wood, up here, across the bridge, down the chair, back down here to the end. So yeah, let me know, do you think it's going to make it? I'll just set camera up and we'll give it a try.
sound, back to the sound. Sound, back to the sound.
Nah, got it stuck. It's just not powerful enough to get it going. You know, it is only a small motor. You can pretty much just, you know, there's not a great deal of power. But it did this bit pretty well, quite impressive. I'll show you. It's not got a very good turning circle either. So what I'm going to do is, I've already ordered a few upgrade parts for this. So I'm going to set up a couple of little tests, you know, from stock, and then just add some upgraded parts to it and see whether we can actually make it into a decent off-road RC car. But I think visually, you know what, for a cheap remote control car, it looks bloody fantastic, doesn't it? It's like, even just to have it stuck on a shelf somewhere, it just looks great. I know you can order like all the checker plate and everything for this. You can really go to town, make it look nice. So that's what we're gonna do. Like I say, I have ordered some parts for it. So we'll probably go more into it on next video I do. I'm also waiting on some parts for this one. That is a Axial XR10, a proper rock crawler, but you'll see more of that when it's fixed. And then if we just zoom you into that one, that is massive. That will climb up your stairs. But same again, that needs fixing a bit. So yeah, let's do a couple more tests with this, and then I think in the next video I'm going to take it apart let you see everything inside it and see what we can do to make it, like, improve it. See if we can put a bigger motor on it, you know, buy all upgraded parts, and have it as a little winter project. Like I say, I was planning on getting rid of everything, but now I've started playing about with them again. I've ended up looking, and I might end up buying another one rather than selling them. So yeah, we'll do a bit more testing then. Right, so that's pretty much it for this one. I'm just going to keep it a quick short one. I've been a lot busier lately, that's why I've not uploaded a video in like a couple of weeks. But I am, like I say, I am currently working on some videos that are like half done. I'm just waiting on parts and what have you. But if RC stuff, if it's something that you'd like to watch, let me know in comments. If you've got any, let me know what you've got, because I kind of got the bug again, you know, because of winter coming. I don't want to be stuck outside working on car. I'd much rather be in here, you know, playing about with something. I have also got a couple of other things what I want to build, so them videos will be coming up as well. But yeah, let me know what you think of it. I think it looks absolutely fantastic. Like I say, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get one from. I know you can get them on Amazon, so I'll leave my affiliate link on there for you. And yeah, in next one we'll start taking it apart and see what upgrades we can do to it. I don't know what video will be out next, because I might have my parts for that other one. But yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.